Sometimes I wonder about the bounty of produce that Mother Nature has for us. While some fruits and veggies are staple for humans, there are some which are unusual, yet absolutely worthy, like this elephant food, which is such a one. Owing to its appearance resembling an elephant's foot, it is rightly termed as the elephant foot yam as well. Hello and welcome back to Cooking Story, and this is Smita. So let's begin a yummy, crispy, crunchy elephant foot chips. Now let's check the ingredient to make this. The ingredients are chili flakes, semolina or rava or suji, salt, refined flour. With that, our lovely and gorgeous elephant food. First of all, take the yam and we need to cut it with thin slices with the help of a knife. You have to make as thin as possible. And as you know that this elephant food is found in dirty place, you need to wash it properly before cooking it. Though keep in mind while processing the yam by peeling and cutting can be difficult task since it is an extremely hard tuber, thus the knife that you will use has to be sharp and heavy. Once you are done, then place these thin slices into the hot water. Add half teaspoon of salt and boil it in a medium high flame for 2 to 3 minutes. Once you are done, then remove these slices with the help of a strainer and keep aside. To all my viewers, please do add yam in your recipes as yam is an excellent for our body and has some great health benefits. Among them, it contains good amount of vitamin B6 which is great for our hair growth. Next, on a mixing bowl or a plate, add 2 tablespoons of semolina and 1 tablespoon of refined flour. Then add half teaspoon of chili flakes, though depends upon your taste bud. If you don't want, you can also ignore this. Add salt as per your taste. Now mix all the ingredients well. Now spread this semolina mixture over the platter and take one by one boiled elephant foot slices, coat them evenly in this mixture so that it gets evenly coated from all the sides. After that, place a deep pan with 1 teaspoon of oil, and once it heated up, slowly place these slices of elephant foot and fry it from both the sides until golden brown and crispy in a very low flame. Don't clutter with too many while frying, fry some at a time. Again, repeat the same process after 2-3 minutes. Just flip the other sides and keep cooking until it turns crispy. So what are you wondering? If you think your family doesn't love yam, try this way and see they could love this vegetable, as this happens with my husband too. Now the yam slices are looking yummy, tasty, crunchy. Remove it from the pan and garnish yam chips with some coriander leaves and serve hot with mayo or any other dip of your choice. Additionally, some lemon wedges can also be served with the yam. And if you think today's recipe is worth it and healthy, then don't forget to subscribe my channel Cooking Story and hit the bell icon so when I upload new recipes like this, you get the notification first. Till then, stay healthy, stay wealthy, enjoy cooking. See you again with another new episode of Cooking Story. Enjoy!